Hello everybody, welcome to Italian Cooking with Antonio. Today I have a special recipe which is some spaghetti with some shrimp and bottarga. This dish has a touch of South Italy, which is from Sardinian. We have some bottarga, which they describe it's Sardinian Gold, which is like an Italian caviar. We're going to grate it on the end, on top. Before we get started, make sure you're a subscriber and give me a nice thumbs up. Thank you. Now let's get started with ingredients. This recipe is going to be for two. Okay, I get spaghetti. I get some raw, nice, live jumbo shrimp, which are the peel already, and some diarrhea, and all the shells. They are inside the pot here, which I was going to add some little wine and some water and let them boil to get the juice out and use the broth for the sauce. Then we're going to use some fresh parsley, of course the bottarga, a lemon zest we're going to grate it on the end, some 3 cloves of garlic, a little pepperoncino if you like spicy, and then a little salt, and we add a little fresh pepper on the end. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to add a little water and a little wine in the shells. We put it to boil. Okay, I add water. Now we're going to put a splash of wine. Okay, to give you a little taste. And we're going to go to boiling. Ecco qua. Okay, let's start it. We're going to start with the fresh one, which I already peeled. And I want to show you that open. This one I'm going to put that garniture we're going to put on top of it. This one and this one I'm going to clean it. Take that. We're going to put them together with the water boiling. And we're going to use the head too. Okay. As a shell, but make sure you open, because yes, a black thing in the middle, and make sure you take them out. Okay, all those shells, we're going to do it, and those are already clean. See that? It's already clean. We're going to use as garniture we put it. I'll take the shells of this one, I'll show you. Like the other one, we cut back. So we're going to use, we put in the boiler. Now let's chop them. You want that already shells before. You want to make a mess. Ecco qua, sono solo gli ingredienti e adesso cominciamo, andiamo al fornello. That's all the ingredients, and then now we're going to go to the stove. Okay, we just put the water boiling, and meantime we're going to do the sauce now. Nice little olive oil. A little higher. Oh, in the meantime, I'm going to show you that we're going to use the broth of the shells. It's already nice and cooked. Those shells, look at them, come nice out. We're going to add sauce. We're ready for the garlic. Get them nice and brown. If you like, you put pepperoncino to make a little spicing. If you don't, we add that. E siamo pronti per la salsa. Ho aggiunto aglio con un po' di peperoncino, the garlic, rich the golden. Now we're going to add the little parsley. little more. Now it's time to put let's do with the jumbo one first. It's a nice color. Ecco i gamberoni. Abbiamo aggiunti, poi li mettiamo quelli spezzettati. I'm gonna add a little more white wine there. E un po' di vino. Since the water already boiling, we're gonna add the spaghetti. Wait about 7-8 minutes. They should be ready. The jumbo shrimp, I take them out. What I want to do out garniture. They go down. But if you want it, you can leave them and do it even the garlic. If you want it, you can leave it. What I'm going to do is take one eye and one eye leave it. A little now and a little later when I'm going to put the spaghetti in it. Pinch of salt. Ok, let's go and strain the spaghetti. La pasta è pronta, siamo pronti per aggiungerla. Bella al dente. La padella direttamente, ecco qua. Now just mixing, look at that nice color. Un bel colore, facciamo ritirare un po' ancora. Facciamo anche un po' di prezzemolo. We add some parsley. I add a little more the broth. We let all the sauce get together. Ok, siamo pronti per impiattare. Ecco qua, we're ready to put in the dish. Ecco qua, questa è una porzione, that's one portion. Put some shrimp in it. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna add some lemon zest. Ecco, we are ready for Sardinian Gold. We're gonna grate the Bottarga. I put enough that è buono, si vede un bel colore. Now we're gonna add some those pretty shrimp on top. Just the shrimp, this one we're gonna put in the middle. Those two on the side. There you are. The dish is ready. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little more parsley. We give it a little more coloring because the taste should be fantastic. We're gonna try. There you are. And that's the dish. Now this beautiful dish, we're gonna accompany it with a nice chill gavi, white wine. Cheers, salute, salute. Okay, now is the best. Let's see the solution here. Let's taste it. Put in shrimp. Delicious. Buonissimi. You should try. I hope you try. Salute and really enjoyed it. Hasta la prossima.